got a cousin who plays the drums, a sister who adds grace to every song she hums. My best friend, he's a sax man, and he plays the scales real clean. But me, I sit and listen, though my ear is not too keen. For I know that something's missing, and I wonder all the while, whatever happened to that old Hawaiian style? As my mind keeps drifting back to days when I was young, when Tutu Kane taught us how to sing and strum, to days of ukulele, stand-up bass, Hawaiian steel. I guess it's only natural, but I can't help but feel how I miss my grandpa's laughter as I wonder all the while, whatever happened to that old Hawaiian style? I guess my mind keeps drifting, that's music I suppose. The music style, it ranges, oh that's progress I suppose. You can't let life get in the way, we're growing older every day. So I'll just go on listening as the music flows. For I know that something's missing, and that my heart begins to smile. 'Cause I could bring back that old Hawaiian style. Oh, I could bring back that old Hawaiian style. That old Hawaiian style.